How to create community group in WhatsApp Business. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can create community group in WhatsApp Business. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application or WhatsApp Business application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're on your chat page, tap on the three dot icon at the top right. From this mini box, now tap on Communities. Then tap on Start Your Community. Then to create a new community, tap on Get Started. Now enter the name for your community. Then tap on Next. Now you can add groups to your community. To create a new group, to make a group specifically for this community, tap on Add Group and then tap on Create a New Group. Here now provide or enter your group name. After that, you can also add your group descriptions. That is optional, and here you have to describe what your group is about so that other people will know what to expect and whether to join or not. And there is another option as disappearing message. If you want to enable that, tap on it and then tap on OK. Here now you have to choose the time range. If you don't want that, you can also disable that. After that, in order to add some member, tap on Add, and from here now you can add members to the group in the community. Then tap on Next from here. After you have added, now in order to finalize your community, you can review the groups and their settings. Then tap Create to finalize and launch your community. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.